welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I know I look like an egg, but today's video I want it to be like a vlog style type of hair video because you guys have been wanting vlog, right? Okay, so today I am going to rejuvenate my hair. Obviously when I have a lot of wigs, some of them I don't wear, some of them are just chucking in there in my drawer, so it's one of those today. So I look horrible, I know, but bear with me because I am about to transform myself, and also this wig, so super excited. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So this is a vlog style video. And also if you want to purchase the hair I'm about to rejuvenate from Sunber Hair, there is a link in the description box below, so check it out. All right, so this is how I store all my wigs. So this is how I store my wigs. I put them all in the bags. So this is the one that I need today, which is from Sunber Hair. So obviously when you take it out of the bag, it's not looking great. So this is the wig. The curls are a bit dusty, and also I want it to smell good and to be new again. So this is the hair. I'll show you guys. So I'm about to wash and style this hair and also transform myself, so stay tuned. So this is the shampoo and conditioner that I use on my hair. I used to use the Tresemme ones, but I decided to change. No reason in particular, and yeah, they have been working out real good for me. You can find them at Clicks or Discam or any beauty supply store. And obviously my trusty dusty, my Denman brush, very good for curly hair. And I use lukewarm water. You can go a bit higher in terms of the hotness of the water. It depends on you also, but like don't let it be too hot. I'm going to start by applying my shampoo and washing the hair. And also it's better to like rub the shampoo on the hair and also use your comb to get all the tangles, or if like there's like any tangle, yeah, just to get all the tangles really. Then rinse it. After that you're going to use your conditioner. Apply it all over the hair. It doesn't have to be a lot, just apply it, just make sure it's enough. I don't know if that makes sense. And just wait to rub it in, and if you want you can leave it for like 10 minutes with the conditioner on it, or maybe more, depends on how the hair is. So this hair wasn't that bad, so I just didn't leave it, and then I rinsed it. And then I let it air dry for a couple of hours, and I didn't use a blow dryer because I didn't want the hair to have volume. And then after that I'm going to style it on my mannequin. I didn't use heat in the middle, so I decided to use mousse just to flatten the hair. It's really up to you, but I just used a different technique today. I just wanted to see something, and the mousse did hold the hair down. I'm just using a tiny brush just to brush the little hairs down, or to keep them down. And then I've been loving this one. This is the argan oil from Morocco. It's quite good. It's very good. Don't do a lot. It's very heavy, and I make sure that it's warm when I apply it to the hair. So like I rub my hands together, and yeah, I've been loving it. It's like it does the things. It's quite expensive. It's like 180 something, but yeah, please don't do a lot. Like that pea size was literally enough. And I'm going to be using my curling iron. I put it on the highest heat, or the last temperature, that it offers, because I want to finish curling the hair, not be there for a very long time. So that's why I leave it on high heat. And I'm just going to be curling the hair. I didn't want the curls to be perfect this time, that's why I didn't pin them down. But you guys will see at the end I did brush the curls to give me that loose wave type of vibe.
So these are the curls. I'm very happy with them, but I do want to run my comb through the curls just to make them a bit more looser. See? And also this brush, obviously guys, it's a Denman brush. It's great for curly hair. Since this is a closure, I don't need to glue it down because it is snatched on my head. It will not come off, but I need to remember that this is just a closure. So I didn't glue it down actually, but it looks quite good. I'm quite impressed. So I've had this hair for let's say probably maybe like 2 months already, and it's still holding up very well. Okay, so that is it actually. That's how I rejuvenate my curly hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But before I go, this hair is from Sunber Hair. It is a Brazilian body wave. It was 3 bundles of 18 inches and a closure of 16 inch. I made it into a wig. I used a dome cap to make the wig, and yeah, so I've had the hair for quite some time and it's still holding up very well. There is no tangling, as you guys can see, like literally, but also depends on the type of product you use. I would rather use like expensive, more expensive, not expensive, but you know what I mean, and because I feel like they are good to hair. And also there is a bit of shading, but obviously it's hair and you have to show me the wolf. But yeah, so far so good. The hair is still quite time. Like I said, it's 3 bundles of 18 inches and one closure of 16 inch. And yeah, I'm so okay. So remember guys, you're gonna purchase the hair from Sunber Hair. Go in the description below the video, and it'll take you straight. And also thank you so much to Sunber Hair for sending me some beautiful hair, and I'll see you guys in
I wanna be